Hello and welcome to Finextra. I'm Thea George and I'm here with Sean Gilchrist of Lloyds Banking Group. We're at Cybos 2016 in Geneva and we're talking about the impact of technology on banking. Sean, thank you for joining me.
Hi Thea.
So what would you say is the impact of emerging technologies on the banking business?
Well, I think the two big trends that we're seeing is the increase in pace and also the increase of adoption of new technologies. And that of course is impacting banks as well as everybody else in the industry. The things we need to get our head around is, and we're seeing this happening in spades in the retail side, is that customers are adopting the technology faster, which means that we've already got over 12 million of our customers doing online banking. And in the last very few short years, 7 million of them are doing their banking on the mobile, which means they just expect to be able to bank anytime, anywhere. And we need to adapt to that in the commercial sector as well, where we see the emergence of fintech starting to compete in places that we wouldn't expect and going after revenue pools that we wouldn't expect them to. So our response needs to be quite thoughtful around actually how we're going to operate in this very fast changing world.
And what about the increasing regulatory burden? How do you see that impacting?
I think it's something that we should welcome. If you think about what the regulators are trying to do, they're trying to make a better industry for our clients, and therefore we need to go look at that as an opportunity and remember that actually it's for the clients. So let's think about how we can take the regulation on board and actually work with the regulator and engage in a proactive dialogue with the regulator, keeping the client at the front of our mind and come up with innovative services and solutions for them that meets their needs and helps them to do what they need to do.
And so overall, how do you think banks need to be responding to these trends?
So I think the biggest thing to focus on is the client. There's some fantastic technology and new propositions coming out there, but if we're not lining it up to what our clients need and want, then we're just missing a trick. And there's loads of examples of technology that have come out and just gone nowhere because they're not fulfilling a particular need at that point in time. So I think it always starts with the client, and as an industry, we then need to start to think about what our competitors are doing. And I don't mean the other banks, I mean the fintechs. And they're very good on getting things to market quickly, seeing how customers and clients use it, and then iterating and improving it. So as a bank, we've got to kind of get into a small company startup mindset and operate much more quickly and much more agilely than we've ever done before. But we can't lose that client focus. That's one of the big advantages we've got, is we've got fabulous clients that are very loyal to us. So how do we just keep that dialogue going with them, work out what their needs are and keep satisfying them quickly and easily.
Sean, thank you.
Pleasure.
And thank you for watching.